When you visit Victoria Falls, why not see our very own natural wonder of the world from above by booking a flight near Chikopokopo helicopters? The good life is now within your reach. Come and have an exhilarating flight experience with our world-class pilots in our top-of-the-range helicopters. Our 13 to 15-minute short flight includes flying over the gorges, then circling around the falls, offering a superb view from every angle along the Zambezi Valley. Our 24 to 30-minute long flight includes flying over the gorges, then circling around the falls along the Zambezi Valley and national parks for game spotting. Chikopokopo Helicopters also offers helicopter charter flights, medical evacuation services, picnic and champagne flights. Make your booking when you visit Victoria Falls by calling Chikopokopo Helicopters landline 0832 847 181 up to 2, cell phone 0771 142 411 and 0733 275 115. Email info@chikopokopo.com. Visit our website on www.chikopokopo.com. Chikopokopo Helicopters, pleasant and affordable helicopter rides.